to all of you. My name is Gunjan. I am studying class 4th. First of all, I would like to say thank you. My topic is virus. What is virus? Coronavirus, which is commonly called COVID-19, an infectious disease. Coronavirus is a very small virus but most harmful virus. COVID-19 first during December 2019, 1920 in Wuhan city of China. The most symptoms of coronavirus are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. Its spread ratio is very fast. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning to all of you. I am Mummy from class 5 and I am from Shivaji House. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me the great opportunity. My topic is women improvement. Women improvement refers to making women powerful, to make them capable of deciding for themselves. Women that suffered a lot for the years at the hand of men in earlier centuries. They were treating as almost antagonized.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Sweetie from class 3rd. I am from Raman House. Respect principal sir and my all teacher, dear friend. I would like to say thank you to give me such a great opportunity to say some things about the story. Important of trees. Trees are our best friend in natural. They give fruit to it and firewood. John we build house makes and furniture with timber. The pulp making paper is provided by trees. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. I am Siddhi from class 5 and I am from Raman House. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. My topic is digestion of food. What is digestion? Digestion is the process of breaking down of food soluble form to be absorbed. Digestion of food in the mouth or buccal cavity. The step of digestion food is mouth, tongue, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. The food we eat with the help of treat into smaller particles with the help of teeth and with mixed salivary glands. Next step is tongue. Goods which help in the taste, and there are 4 types of taste: salt, sweet, salty, and bitter. Next step is food pipe. Tongue pushed toward the throat and down the food pipe. Next step is stomach. Stomach secretes digestive juice which break the protein present in food. Next step is small intestine. Digestive food of liver, pancreas are poured into small intestine. Last step is large intestine. Undigested food pushed into the large intestine. Thank you and have a nice day.
Morning to all of you. I am Neha Gurjar from class 5th. I am from Raman House. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My topic is water waste. A mother camel had her baby were laying down soaking up the sun. The baby camel asked his mom, why do we have big bumps on our back? The mom stopped to think and then say, we live in the desert where there in not much water available. Our bumps store water to help earn service on long journey. The baby asked this stopped to and say, well, why do we long legs to help rounded fit? The baby asked third question, why are my legs so long? Mother replied, your long eyelashes offer you protections and off we it in the wind. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Mohit from class 3rd and I am from Ashoka House. I telling about the little plant in the here of the still world. Deep so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake side the sunshine. Wake side the sunshine and creep to the light. Wake side voice of the raindrop. Voice of the raindrop. The little plant here and it rose to see what wonderful outside world might be, and thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. I am Anshika from class 4th. I am from Ashoka House. My topic is what is science. Science is the efficiency of improvement in our life quality. We do not benefit in science. This science we do not need it if there is a researcher does not contribute and does not live. He or she is not a researcher and should not to be on our payroll. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hey everyone, my name is Maudin from class 3rd. I am from Tagar House, respected principal sir, teacher, and my dear friends. I would like to say thank you. Such a great opportunity. Something about story technology. Today I am here to speak about the role of technology. COVID-19. We know that technology is an integral part of our lives today, but during pandemic, technology is played a vital role used
Good morning everyone, I am Mohan from class 3rd and I am Ashoka House. Respected principal sir and my all teachers and dear friends. I would like to say thank you to give me such an opportunity of say something about story. From rags to riches. Trinath was a boy of 4 when his father died. After his father's death, there was no to eat and bring money and for his family. Trinath's mother was an uneducated lady, so she could not earn money. All they had to eat at home was what his mother Mother world grow in the fields, and whatever she called from ask me people. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Swana from class 3rd and I am Shivaji House. Respecting all my teachers and dear friends, I would like to say thank you. Give me such great opportunity to say something about story. The lazy farmer and the genie. Once upon a time, there lived in a farmer in a village. His name was Ramu. He was very lazy. He hated any kind of work. He always wanted to sleep. He called often. I wish I had a work. Genie as a servant. Servant, I called one all the day, on rest all the day. One day Genie heard farmer looking like a appropriate front from the farmer. Very looked big and strong. Thank you.